ya majwire
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV Elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Tukoria rero nigo abaseneta bonsi baba gutianwa bene ryo guchaka kuri obokoreri gocyase abananchi murobiri okorekana ase ebunke ye senate me mucho Nairobi awase nonya nabo abaseneta bo baba wakachikura na komochora Amason Kingi buna omonogeri webunke ye senate nigo bari ashira cyo cyawikiraniria abananchi emirimo buna ebwenerete ase nonya nabo ngusanano yabage koenekiwa achingaki abaseneta kurwase umurengo o Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya baba wesokia kuruase bunge yo magaga yo konyoro roboti una Kalonzo msiokani go rusetie aso kurwanire kirogo kyobo bunge gose kirogo kyobo speaker ase bunge ya seneta yo nanda mangeti kateguna twariganirira muri keito Vincent Onyancha.
Abaseneta merongevere no yo mobensemo ya Azimio nigo besoke kurwase bunge aso kwe murungani buna nominated senators awale merongevere mbairi bagaryo kurwanire kirogo kyobo konyi wobo speaker ase bunge ya senate Moses Kajwang no yo mwabwata ni kurwase nsemo ya Azimio.
All the 67 senators here have got an equal right to vie for the position of deputy speaker of the Senate. Therefore, Mr. Clerk, my objection, and where I want you to clarify, is that we cannot proceed with election for Speaker and Deputy Speaker until the rights of nominated members of the Senate have been respected and until they've been accorded an opportunity to put in their application. And I know someone will argue that it was the work of IBC to gazette the nominated senators. We as a Senate cannot take the wrong decisions because IBC took the wrong decisions.
Voigo okwerusia kwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka aso kuriye krokyo speaker ase bunge ya seneta ni okweraba seneta merongevere no yomo gotaka chikura.
His Excellency Honorable Musyoka Stephen Kalonzo withdrew his candidature for the position of Speaker of the Senate, and his name will accordingly not be appearing on the ballot paper. Honorable Senators, Honorable Senator, please sit down, sit down. Honorable Senators,
Omoseneta bwe county ya Kericho Aaron Cheruiyot nigamo cha bwatani ba Azimio wote abuna no bwo basoirie anene aso chikobu ase keroge kyo speaker.
Mr. Clerk, I want to react to the point of order by my good friend Senator Moses Kajwang. This is a classic filibuster. There is nothing that the minority side is looking for other than an opportunity to stage a walkout because they can see the chances of another imminent defeat in quick succession after they've suffered a quick one in the previous election, Mr. Clerk.
Abaseneta Kipchumba Murkomen na Boni Arware nigo bamuchiboy go Moses Kajwang asenkwana ya ye yogo tataka omo speaker bwe senate tabase gochorwa.
The speaker, the objection is raising is premature. It's a premature.
Senators, I will hear Senator Murkomen, please.
Thank you. It's premature to the extent that this House is now discussing the election of the Speaker. The issues raised by Senator Kajwang have nothing to do with the position of the Speaker.
Mr. Clerk, I can see the attempt by the Honorable Senator Moses Kajwang. Senator, through this point of order, he's attempting to suspend the sitting of this House.
Omwerio yaba seneta emeronge nena batano no yomoni go bakachikura asoyo kabero mo governor we county ya Kilifi Amason Kingi achorubu no monogari we bunge ya senate aso kwanyera chikura chonsi emeronge nena isano neyemo kubwata kanabuna na uboka bakachikura asekerenga una aba seneta emeronge bero no yomo mbageti chikura anene kurwa sensemo ya Azimio. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ritirene nchinkuru kwa Vince